Hello my people, this is your Preet. Welcome back to our another video guys. This video guys is really important. A lot of my friends ask me to solve this issue. The package could not be installed. The theme is missing the style.css style sheet. So this is pretty quick. You can solve this issue within 1 minute. This is really easy. So let me show you. First of all, when we upload the main file here, we got the zip file for our theme. Let me try to upload that one. This is the flat sum theme. Let me upload this one, flat sum main theme. This is main theme file. But if I install, click on install now, we have the same error, missing the style sheet. So how we fix this? Let me show you here. Let me open my saved file here. This one. This is the main file. Okay, so now let me open inside. First of all, when you download your theme, you got zip file or rar file. Okay, so this is zip file. Let me open zip file to look inside it. What is inside in the file? Okay, when I open, okay, let me cancel this. Let me open this one. This is the main file. Okay, this one. So let me open inside it. So inside the file we have a lot of more file which actually caused the error because your theme did not get the main file, the main theme file. Main theme file means you can see here the theme file is different in separate folder. You have to open that one as well. And we have now here flat sum main theme file, zip file, and flat sum child file. So even I extract it. First of all, most of theme, when you right click on your mouse, extract to specific folder, you can extract to desktop. So you need to extract the main file. Okay, when you some theme, even you extract the main file, still you are facing same error. How to fix it? Let me extract this file first, the main theme file, to the desktop. It's already it's already there. So the name is flat sum theme 2.6, the main. Let me open desktop. Let me find the here it is, flat sum main theme file. I have to open this again. After extract, I have to open this folder again, zip file again. So I have to also look inside it. What is it? So you can see here the problem issue is when we open the extract file, we already extract the main theme file but still have issue. The cause of issue is when you open this folder, you will see inside the folder we have another folder, flat sum. When we click on it, then we get main files. The cause of this, we have extra folder built inside the folder. So very easy to fix this. How to fix this? First of all, you have to keep clicking until you got these files: admin, css, javascript language. This is actually the main file where we have style sheet. Here it is, style sheet. We have style sheet in it within this folder. So you have to first find out this content. After you find this content, select all these. Let me open. What we will do here, let me open. You have to go up. Here, the main folder. Let me extract it again. Extract to the desktop. Okay, let me open the main file, or you can do one thing here, just select all this content, select all, right click, extract to specific folder, again on desktop. Okay, now when we go to again desktop, you will find the folder name Flatstone. Here it is. We have already the folder. We have two folder here. One is Flatsum main. Yeah, Flatsum main. When we open Flatsum main, and we have to open it inside it. Yeah, we have to make, when we extract on the desktop and we get this folder, not a zip file, we have now folder. Okay, now click again, open inside the box. Yeah, now in the folder we have this content, not in zip file. Again we select all these. Let me delete this old one because I tried it earlier. Okay, now what I will do, I will select all this content, select all this, right click on mouse. I'm using WinRAR. Click add to archive, add to archive. Here you have to choose zip, archive format zip. Okay, and click OK. After you click OK, you will see within this folder, you will see this, it will make zip file again within this folder, within the folder. So we will upload this file. Okay, so this is inside the folder Flatsum main folder, desktop Flatsum main 2.6 and inside it. So okay, let's go to our WordPress again, themes, click on themes, add new, upload theme. Now if we will upload that file, first of all we will go to the folder of Flatsum, this one, Flatsum main. Okay, inside it, okay, open, you will see we just make the zip file. After archive we have to upload this one. Click install now. Boom, there is no error. After this you will see your theme file will be successfully uploaded after this. Okay, because I already upload this, replace active with uploaded. Yeah, perfect, we have no error now. Actually, why this error happened, this error actually happened, let me open. When I download my theme file, always when you download your theme file, it comes with in the zip or RAR file. You always please open the main zip file. For example, this one, open the main file. Inside the main file, or you do one thing here, when you download the zip file, directly click on the file, zip file, do not need to open that, and go to WinRAR, extract file, click on extract file. When you extract file, save it somewhere. Let me review this process. Let me choose downloaded. It will make folder, Flatsum folder in the download folder. Let me check now my downloaded folder. You will see, yeah, here it is, Flatsum main, it's folder, we have folder Flatsum folder again. So now I keep open it until I found admin CSS files. Select all these files. After select all these, right click, choose WinRAR, add to archive, and choose zip here. Boom, perfect. So you will see inside the folder, it will make this file inside it. Okay, when you upload now, just go to download folder, because I extract it in within the download folder. Open the download folder, keep open, you will see the zip file. We just archive that. Okay, that's very simple. I hope you like this video. If you want to ask any question regarding this upload, you still facing any error, you can simply ask me, or you can reach me social media. I definitely will help you up. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.